Hey everyone, and welcome to today's deep dive into the world of network components. If you've ever wondered how data zips across the internet or how your computer connects to others on a network, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. First things first, what exactly is a network component? Well, it's any part, physical or software, that's necessary to set up computer networks. These can range from the cables snaking around your office to the software that manages data traffic on your Wi-Fi. Now let's break it down into two categories: hardware components and software components. Starting with hardware, think of these as the physical building blocks of a network. First up, we have servers. These powerhouses manage and distribute data across the network. They're the big bosses, handling everything from your website requests to storing massive amounts of data. Next, we have clients. These are usually your devices like computers or smartphones that connect to servers to access services. They're like the customers in a restaurant, making requests and waiting for servers to deliver. And don't forget about peers, computers that communicate directly with each other, sharing resources without any central supervision. Imagine a team where everyone is both a leader and a follower, sharing tasks equally. Ever heard of transmission media? These are the channels, like cables or wireless signals, that data travels through. Whether it's a fiber optic cable or Wi-Fi signals, these are what keep the data flowing. Lastly, connecting devices such as routers and switches are the unsung heroes. They direct traffic and make sure data finds the quickest and safest route from point A to point B. Now, onto software components. The big player here is the operating system, which coordinates all the network activities. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, making sure each section comes in at the right time for a flawless performance. Then there's the protocol suite, the rules and guidelines that dictate how data is exchanged over a network. It's the rulebook that every player on the field follows, ensuring a fair and orderly game. In summary, from the sturdy cables to sophisticated software, each network component plays a vital role. Understanding these can help you set up robust and efficient networks, whether for personal use or within an organization. If you're keen to learn more, why not dive into networking from scratch? You'll get a solid foundation and maybe even become the tech wizard in your friend group. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you next time.